In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly convert a WorPad document to Microsoft Word on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you have a document created in WorPad and need to convert it into a Microsoft Word document, you can do this quickly by opening the file in Microsoft Word and saving it in the Word document format. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Microsoft Word is open, go to the upper left corner and click File. From the menu, select Open. Next, click Browse to locate the WorPad document on your computer. Navigate to the folder where the document is saved, select the file, and click Open. Microsoft Word will now open the document and display its contents. Take a moment to check the document and make sure the text and formatting appear correctly. Once you have confirmed that the document looks good, go back to the File menu and select Save As. Now choose the folder where you want to save the converted document. In the Save As window, look for the Save As type option. Click the drop-down menu and select Word Document. This will save the file using the DocX format, which is the standard format used by Microsoft Word. Next, enter a file name if you want to change the name of the document. Then click Save. Microsoft Word will now create a new Word document based on your original WorPad file. After saving the file, take a moment to review the document again. Check the text, spacing, fonts, alignment, and other formatting to make sure everything looks correct. Keep in mind that some formatting may change slightly when a WorPad document is opened in Microsoft Word. This can happen depending on how the original document was created and which formatting options were used. If you notice anything that needs to be corrected, simply make the necessary changes in Microsoft Word and save the document again. Once everything looks correct, your WorPad document has been successfully converted into a Microsoft Word document and is ready to be edited, shared, or used for your intended purpose. And that's how you can quickly convert a WorPad document to Microsoft Word on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,